I can't wait for that show to start up again. I can't wait for the next book to come out. I've been a big fan of Outlander, Diana Gabaldon's books since the 80s when they first came out. My ex-sister-in-law, we're still really good friends, even though I'm not married to her brother anymore. She turned me on to this book and this series of books and this author, so we've read them all. So there's my Outlander kit. You've got your full boxes, and there's your second sheet with all the boxes and headers and things. So there's that. From the Crafty Student, I got this Christmas Gingerbread Feels kit. So full boxes, some more full boxes and checklists and weekend banner and things. And I also got this fall photo kit from the Crafty Students, fall foliage with all the autumn trees. And the second sheet, same setup as the other kit, but just two different subjects. So that was from the Crafty Student. From Bean Sprout Paper Co., I got this Let's Get Cozy kit. I just love the kitty in the sweater there. So you have some full boxes and washi and scripts. You've got littles, some more washi, your sidebar things, and a bill due, and some checklists. I like that they're 4, because sometimes there's pressure to do a lot of things when you have 7 checklists. Or 7 hearts on your checklist. So you have some more washi strips here, and some boxes and flags, and labels, more washi. I love that she has washi, just like you can pick your size. Here's your date dots, and your date covers, and a couple more pattern washi strips and some circle icons. So that kit was from, it's Cozy Personal Kit from Bean Sprout Paper Co. Break time, have a sip. You love this tumbler? I got this TPC tumbler in the TPC box, the Black Friday box mailer that they did. And I just love it, and I'm using it. It's got some iced tea in it. So if you didn't get your box this year, be sure to pick it up next year when they do it again. It is epic and so worth the money. So from SoCutePlanner, which is a shop that I PR for, this is actually a replacement order that she sent me. The original order that she sent me got lost. USPS just, I have no clue where it is. Will it ever show up? I don't know. If it does, I'll let her know. But in the meantime, this is why it took me so long to film this, because I was waiting for all the shops orders to come in. Not the shop owner's fault. We'll blame it on the post office. So I have my replacement order here, so hence video for you. So I have a bunch of sampler kits from her that I bought with my shop credit, and here is a Christmassy one. I love these for my B6 because I can either do a daily, hourly with these for like a day or two, or I can do a weekly with these with just like 2 full boxes if I have a lot going on that week. So, and it has all the things that I need, everything that I need. Sometimes I don't need a whole big kit. So I like having these around. So here is a winter Christmas stockings kit. Here is a Nutcracker sampler kit. Here is a Jingle All the Way, Merry Christmas, Ho 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 sampler kit. This is Dare to Begin, I Love Fall sampler kit. There's a Winter Hot Cocoa sampler kit. A Pumpkin Pie, Pumpkin Spice, all the things fall kit. And the last sampler kit that I got from her is this Christmas cookie kit. So that was from SoCutePlanner. Okay, Keep It Simple stickers on this beautiful unicorn paper. This is so vibrant, so pretty. Just love her kits. This is a Black Cat Halloween kit that I got. So you got your full boxes, you have glitter headers, you've got your half boxes, quarter boxes, headers and weekly box. Bottom washi, weekend banner, habit tracker, icons, check strips, flags. And also from Keep It Simple stickers, I got this fall kit. I just love the colors in this with the blue, with the orange and the yellow. Just love it with the teal. So you have your full boxes and some checklists. Again, you have your glitter headers, washi strips, same as the other kit, same format. Your boxes. And I also, oh wait, there's the rest of that kit. And the third kit that I got from them is this Christmas kit. And I love that it's not traditional Christmas colors. I like the pink and the purple. So we have the boxes, glitter headers, little boxes, washi. So that's my order from Keep It Simple stickers. These are from Perfect Prince Co. As I mentioned before, I love her shop because she does the B6 kits. So I got this Christmas kit from her. This Polar Express kit, I believe, was a limited edition, available only during the sale. You could get whatever size planner that you use. She had a kit for it. Will she ever release it again? Probably not, but I don't know. You never know. Maybe if you ask pretty please nicely, maybe she will bring them back again. So anyway, this is B6TN Polar Express kit from Perfect Prince Co. And this really pretty Roses kit, which is nice for any time, but I think I might use this for New Year's or New Year's week or something like that, or somewhere around New Year's, because I just think the colors are beautiful. So that was from Perfect Prince Co. From Tilly B Plans, I got this kit on a sheet with the gingerbread men. I think that's adorable. Now, those of you who know me really, really well know that I am a retired tattoo artist. So when I saw this inked kit from Ben's Design Co., I was just really excited about it. It's beautiful to see something tattoo related that isn't masculine. It's a very male-dominated industry. It's becoming less so, but it was just really nice to see this kit. So you have your two fashion girls in the different skin tones with, it looks like some Mendy henna tattooing. So if ink isn't your thing, you know, permanent ink isn't your thing, you can always go with the Mendy henna and just be inked for a couple of weeks. So anyway, you've got your full boxes. These are just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's your washi page. Your deco, weekend banner, bill due, and marquee. Some scripts. Glitter headers, glitter headers. I guess those are half boxes, maybe 3/4 boxes, and another longer strip of washi there. Date covers, date dots, habit trackers, circle icons, check strips, a couple more weekly boxes. Littles, headers, some more quarter boxes, your full box check lists, and some more check strips. So that was the inked kit from Ben's Design Co. Beautiful. Thanks, Ben. I love the job you did on that. Shout out to the Planner Boys. And these were a couple of more freebies that he threw in. But because this, I can make a whole kit out of this. So I put these in with my kit pile. So we have this beautiful mini kit, Christmas themed, from Ben's Design Co. We're getting near the end here. From Lux Kitty Designs, I got this beautiful fall photo kit. Full boxes. I like that her full box checklist stickers don't actually have the hearts or the circles or whatever. So you can put little icons in there or nothing. You can just write on them. Sometimes you just want to be able to like write and you need all that room. Get out of the way. There you go. So we have that, and we have your half and quarter boxes and your appointment labels. Headers and littles, bill dues and habit trackers and washi. And your glitter headers and some more washi and some flags and a weekend banner and another habit tracker. And this other set in stone gemstone kit. I thought this was really beautiful with the photography of the gemstones. So again, same setup as her other kit, but these ombre checklists actually do have hearts, which is, hey, that's fine too. I love them. And your half and quarter boxes, and date covers and headers and some flags, and your bottom washi and your glitter headers. A couple of really important circle icons right in the middle there, and a habit tracker. So that was from Lux Kitty Designs. And from Savannah Paper Co. I've got, I think this is my last order. So yep, last order from this haul is from Savannah Paper Co. I got this buffalo plaid kit, and we've got full boxes. You have your sidebar things and your checklists and some scripts and some icons. There's your pattern washi and headers. We've got bottom washi, date covers, and an extra full box. And some date dots. And some alternative full boxes that have all the different girls with all the different skin tones and all the different hair colors. And I will use them all because I do not discriminate. And the last kit is, oh, wait, we've actually also got these as an alternative full box, because I guess she's got two fashion girls on that other, on the full box page. So you have, again, all the girls with all the skin tones and hair colors. So date dots for my second kit here. This is Farmhouse Kit. You've got your full boxes, and you've got your sidebar stuff. And again, same as the last kit. So that is my haul from the IG Loop. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing everything that I got. And if you're not a member of TPC on Facebook, look up the Planners Collaborative, join, because it's a super group of ladies and gents, and we have a really good time. The best shops, the best admins, just the best people go there. So you should be going there too. I will link all the shops down below, shop codes, PR codes, anything that I have for that will be linked down below. I don't know how often I will be posting, but if you enjoyed this and you want to subscribe, hit the little bell, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again. Thank you again. I know this video is long. It's like an hour, but you've hung in there, so good on you. Thanks again for coming, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, friends.